Hello everyone, my name is Lee, and today I will talk about my infographics design, and the topic is about the caffeine effect. The infographics are the max of design, writing analysis that are ideas of an age of the big data. They take deep data and present it in a very shorthand. First, my infographics use templates on the Canva website, but I just use the basic design of this template. I replaced the picture with a table and my own pictures, along with some text next to it, so that it can be better to adapt to my content. In my picture, I use yellow and blue as the main color because the topic is talk about the effects of the caffeine. When people hear about the caffeine, they first thinking of the coffee and the energy drinks. I think blue can represent the energy drink, and the yellow can represent the coffee, and the two colors doesn't conflict. In the choice of pictures, I first use my homemade forms to effectively express some big data. Lets people realize the popularity of caffeine. Secondly, I use two different sets of icons to indicate the advantage and the disadvantage of caffeine. In the last part, I didn't add any text except the title because these icons can express the information I want to convey. It can be the better way to understand. In terms of text, I try to reduce my text description and make my text more reasonable. In some parts, I have to blot the display of numbers. This can be better to express myself. So this is my main design concept. If you have questions, free to ask me. Thank you.